In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and use appointments on your Godaddy website in just 5 minutes. If you've been looking for a simple way to integrate scheduling into your site, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in, shall we? First, we'll begin by heading over to Godaddy, which is your go-to hub for domain names, websites, hosting, and online marketing tools. Once you're there, make sure you're logged into your account to access the features we're about to use. Now, from the main page after you log in, navigate over to your products section. This area is crucial as it contains all the tools and settings for your Godaddy websites. Once you're in the products section, you'll want to click on your website. This will take you to the specific management area for your site, where you can start making all the necessary adjustments. After clicking on your website, the next step is to find and select the option to edit website. This opens up the website editor, which is a user-friendly platform allowing you to modify your site's content and layout efficiently. Now, with the editor up and running, it's time to enhance your site by adding a new section. Look for the Add Section button. This feature is what makes modifying your site so versatile. By adding new features such as scheduling, you can create a seamless experience for your visitors. At this point, you're ready to start integrating online appointments. In the search bar within the Add Section menu, type in Online. This keyword will filter the available sections down to the ones most relevant for scheduling. You'll see the online appointments option pop up as a result. Click on it, and you're just a step away from having a fully functional scheduling tool on your website. Finally, with the online appointments section selected, click on the Add button. This will incorporate the scheduling tool directly into your site. Now, you have the basis for a system that can manage bookings and appointments easily for you or your clients. It's straightforward and begins functioning immediately, allowing you to offer direct booking options to your visitors. Remember, having an online appointment system available is a great way to streamline interactions on your website, making it more efficient and user-friendly. This setup is particularly beneficial for businesses relying heavily on scheduling, such as salons, consultations, or any service-based operations. And there you have it. In just a few quick steps, you've successfully added an appointment booking feature to your Godaddy website. Thanks for joining me today, and be sure to keep exploring other tools and features that Godaddy offers to continue enhancing your website's functionality. Happy website building!